Does your butt hurt whenever you participate in a spin class? Do you ever find yourself gazing around at the other class members, trying to see if they're having any discomfort as you are having? If you've answered yes to any of those two questions, well, today's video is for you. So as my title suggests, I'm reviewing a gel bicycle seat cover from Amazon. Amazon is my favorite place to shop if you haven't picked that up as yet. So as you know, I am on a weight loss journey. So as a part of my weight loss journey, I have been attending some workout class, and one of them happens to be spin. And I do have experience in spin classes, but that has been years ago. So me trying to do something new, went and joined a spin class, and as you could pick up from my vibes, it was very, 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 very painful on my butt. So I went and I got myself an affordable gel cushion cover for my bike in my class, and I did not test it once, but I've tested it twice. For 2 weeks I've tested this seat cover just to make sure that you're getting the right information. Okay, so this is the seat. It is quite jelly, and guess how much it cost? £5. £5. For £5, I will say that it is definitely I would say you're getting value for your money. You're getting value, because the other ones I saw, which I was tempted to buy because I was thinking along the lines of comfort rather than expense. So but at the time it just so happened that I don't know if I couldn't afford it, but I just decided to go for the cheaper, the more affordable bike cushion cover, and I got this, and I'm so happy I did, because that meant that I don't need to go and get the more expensive one. Okay, so this is how it looks inside. It's quite thick, and I will insert a clip of me applying it onto the bike at the gym. So it is a spinner, NXT, like I had put this one there, but I think it's broken, so you can just get another. This class isn't full. I think it's broken. I just saw a sticker on it. Look at the back, there's a white sticker on it. Yeah, just get another one, yeah. Just make sure this is tight and close. Came off the last time. You know how it works, obviously. There's a drawstring. You place it over the seat. You adjust the drawstring. To your desired tightness. If you're not new to a spin class, you would know how uncomfortable those spin bikes seats are. But if you are planning on doing spin, my advice for you is to go to a spin class first without the seat, experience the pain, and then buy this, and then go back the following week and put this on, and you'll see the difference. You'll be able to tell the difference, because I think if you start off by using this, you will not be able to really tell the difference. So yeah, to feel the bicycle seat, get the real feel on your butt, and then purchase this, and then tell me what you think. I will leave a link in my description bar. Please click it and go and check this out on Amazon. Alright, and that's it for me and my video. I will be doing an update on my weight loss journey maybe sometime in the middle of March. However, I must say, well, you know what, I'll leave it till March, but you must know it is good news so far. I'm hoping that by the time we reach the middle of March, I'll still have some good news for you guys. So thank you for watching my videos, and I want to say thank you for all my new subscribers. You have no idea how you've made my week. And please remember, guys, to like my videos when you watch them. Please feel free to share them with whoever you want to share them with, whoever you think this will help, and leave a comment down below. Let me know how you feel about my videos, just leave one saying hey. And yeah, so that's it. I need to get out of this sauna vest because if my sweat dries on me, I could catch a cold. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. So I'll see you in another one of my videos. Nice. Thank you guys again. Bye.